Meaning of education.
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 Education. Education refers to the process of learning and acquiring knowledge and skills through various methods such as teaching, training, research, and practical experience. The ultimate result of education is to enable individuals to develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication skills, as well as personal and social awareness. Education can also empower people to improve their economic opportunities, health, and overall well-being. It plays a crucial role in shaping individuals and societies, promoting cultural diversity, and contributing to global development and progress.